everyone, it's Connor from Connor's Comments. Today we got the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Just built today. I wonder how to open this thing. Well, that looks kind of cool. Maybe we should pull these arrows. Right there. I'm trying to get grip of this one. It's sliding out. Look. Wow, this looks so cool. I think this will take really good selfies. It looks so cool. I'll bring it out for you guys. I'll take that off. So shiny. Whoa. I can see my reflection in the screen. Look. I love the black color. It almost looks like it's nighttime. It is so cool. I love the color. I bet this will take so much good selfies. By the way, click the like button and the subscribe button and go and check out Wooby the Pro's channel. Bye!